Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got something exciting to share with you. We're here at Penzy Car Accessories in Quezon City to upgrade our Toyota Wigo Gen 3 with some awesome car accessories. Stick around to see how it goes. But before we dive into the accessories, let me give you a quick tour of Penzy Car Accessories. They're conveniently located at 349 Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City, just around the corner from Banawe St. You can't miss it. It's right next to Savory Chicken. The best part is they accept shipping, so you can get your car accessories even if you're not in the area. And to protect the floors from mud and dust, we went for the version 2 deep dish matting for the first and second row. Usually they offer a trunk tray mat in the set, but we already got one from Shopee. Now let's talk about the accessories we've installed. We got a pair of black rain visor, a garnish set that includes headlamp garnish, tail light garnish, door handle cover, and gas tank cover. These accessories not only enhanced the look of our car, but also added a layer of protection. The staff here are very helpful and knowledgeable. The moment we walk in, you are greeted with their friendly smiles. The best part about Penzy Car Accessories is their speed and efficiency. It only took them about an hour to install all these accessories on our Toyota Wigo. Let's check out how the car looks now. Wow! The transformation is amazing! So, if you're looking to upgrade your car with high-quality accessories and want it done quickly, we highly recommend Penzy Car Accessories. The stuff here is fantastic, and you'll be in and out in no time. Thanks for joining us on this journey. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest adventures. Until next time, happy driving!